A group of pioneering computer scientists is facing the limitations of machine language. The team struggles to write programs using binary code, ones and zeros, directly, leading to frustratingly error-prone processes. One visionary programmer, Dr. Ada, proposes creating a more human-readable language. After some deliberation, they develop assembly language, a system that uses mnemonics like MOV for moving data and ADD for addition, making it easier to program computers. The first program is successfully written in assembly language. A young student, Max, is given a challenge to optimize a piece of code for a vintage microprocessor. The task requires him to use assembly language instead of high-level languages like Python or Java. Max is initially intimidated by the complexity and low-level nature of assembly, but after studying the instruction set and understanding how the CPU works, he begins to enjoy the process. He rewrites the program to be more efficient, reducing its size and increasing its speed. The scene ends with Max realizing the power and flexibility assembly language gives to programmers who want to control hardware directly. Sarah, an experienced programmer, is debugging a complex program written in assembly language. After hours of debugging, she discovers a subtle bug caused by an incorrect register value. The issue is elusive because assembly language works so closely with the hardware, and small mistakes can cause big problems. She uses a debugger tool to step through the assembly code, examining each instruction. Finally, after a tense moment, she fixes the issue. The scene highlights the meticulous nature of working with assembly language, requiring attention to detail and patience. A team of engineers is tasked with optimizing the performance of a smart home device that uses an embedded system. Although the device's main software is written in a high-level language, the engineers must write performance-critical code in assembly. They use assembly to program the microcontroller, achieving lightning-fast performance and low power consumption. The story ends with the engineers feeling satisfied with their work, proving that even in the modern era, assembly language is still indispensable for certain applications.